Hey there, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an API or a workflow and automations recipe for when you want to send an information email or a welcome kit to the candidates who sign up using your talent pool. So currently I'm in the admin settings and all we have to do is scroll down to the workflow and automation and integration section. From over here, we will click on workflows. Over here, you can select the project where you want to create the recipe. After you have opened the respective project where you want your recipe to be stored, all you have to do is click on this create button on the right side. When we click on it, we get all of these four options and we need to click on recipe. From over this box over here, you can name your recipe. And from this box over here, you can choose the location, which is our project folder, and then click on start building. Now from this workspace over here, please click on pick a starting point to build yourself and select the first option which says trigger from an app. Now, after we select this box over here, we will get an option to choose the app that we want to start the recipe from. So we are going to select Recruit CRM. Now over here, we are going to select new event. Furthermore, we can select our Recruit CRM account from over here. Now, there is another video on how you can connect your specific Recruit CRM account with the automations and workflows. So please go ahead and watch that video. Now over here we need to select the event type or the exact event which will trigger our recipe or start it in the first place. So we will select this drop down. Over here we see this option of candidate created from talent pool. So please select that option only, since this recipe needs to be triggered only when candidates are added to the database through the talent pool itself. After that, click on this plus icon over here in actions. Now over here on the left side, you will see the first option which says action in app. So please select that. And then from the right side, all we have to do is search up our respective email provider. So I will be using Gmail. Now over here, you have to select the option to send an email. For this, you need to connect your Gmail account, and for that we have another help video available. So please go ahead and watch that as well. Over here, we get the placeholders to add in the specific email about who we want to send the email to, what the subject should be, as well as the body of the email itself. So at the bottom, if we scroll, we get the option to customize the message, and you can also add other slugs or placeholders using this box over here. In the two box over here on the right side, we have to select email. After you have decided and selected the information that you want to add to your email, I will just show you an example of the things that I have added. For example, you can add here some things to worth remember and then have a great day ahead. You can customize it however you like and select the email type as text. You can customize the subject line as well. So after you have customized this, all you have to do is click on save. And there you go, the recipe will be saved. Now over here you can test the recipe. So in another tab you can sign up on the talent pool itself and sign up as a test candidate, and while you are doing this, on another tab you can open and test the recipe and see if the email gets triggered to ensure that your recipe is working. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.